kama kitengo ambaye inadili na maneno ya sheria.
From Busia, we move to Meru, and doctors in Meru County have ended their 45-day strike after reaching an agreement with the county government through the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union. The deal, signed through a memorandum of understanding, commits the county to address key concerns, including promotions, permanent employment terms, and improved working conditions for medics.
That I want to apologize to the patients and residents of Meru who had to suffer inconvenience because of this strike. Our intention as a union is never to measure the success of our strikes by how much patients suffer. And we also hope that the employer will also know that we don't have to strike for them to do what is right. If you continue talking, if you continue engaging, we should never have to get to a point that patients have to suffer for us to sit down and talk. We are all adults of safe and sound minds, and the issue we raise are valid concerns that if we just talk and meet, we don't have to fight.
Tumefika mkubaliano na tumetia sahihi kwamba mgomo wetu ambao umekuwa ukiendelea kwa siku 45 zilizopita umefika mwisho. Leo tumeweza kukubaliana na kusema kwamba madaktari wetu warudi kazi na huduma za afya ziweze kuendelea vipasavyo katika county government ya Meru.
We want to appreciate the cooperation from the union and also from the county executive.
After months of consultations and negotiations, Kenya and the United States have officially signed a 5